You said nothing else to do, thanks. He's saying enjoy the trip. Okay.
You're British? You're not.
No? Yes, of course I am. Yep.
Okay. Now tell me which way to go. Oh fuck. This is all fucked up. This must be like this. This probably has to be like this. Yep.
Narendranath, welcome to Udaipur, the most beautiful town I know.
Who?
Narendranath. Thumbs up ही देंगे और
Clear है उसे?
क्लियर पीछे देख लो बस ये तो क्लियर
इधर नहीं रखा जाएगा नहीं ना वो
इधर रख लो फिर ये नहीं रखा जाएगा ये
उसको उधर छोड़ इधर डाल दो ना
उसको इसके अंदर डाल दो
इधर डाल दो फिर छोड़ दो
तारबाजी जय माता दी second phase is saying bye bye from there. We are 4 owners. This is the third one I've seen. I have not seen the fourth one. One talked to me that day, the first day. One was this Vikram guy. He's the face. Then
now
this guy is the
which way to
third, right? Or kya? We have to get out to the main road first.
And
Then we'll see which way we have to go.
उसकी वॉइस ऑन कर
मैं इसको लगा देती हूँ ना कहीं वाला उसकी वॉइस तो ऑन है कल पूरा टाइम कैमल से बात कर रही थी 4 hours and 32 minutes.
Head east on Lohana Resort Road toward Motazar Road. In 600 meters, turn right onto National Highway 58.
Yeah. We have to go out to the main road and turn right. This is called Lohana Resort Road. I झाड़ out most of the mud. I think it's coming. Little bit जो रहेगा ये mat में आ जाएगा. No, we are definitely better packed than Makki. Yeah. Fuel though we got done here only.
Just run 3.7 kilometers.
Our car hasn't moved for 2 days, no?
But you can do it aram se, because see, when you total it up, it becomes 7,000 kilometers. But you are doing small sections.
Sections, yeah.
Every day we are doing 100.
Today we are doing
130.
200 and something. We are doing about 300 and something today. 230 is still Kumbhalgarh. एंड लोगों से बात कर करके ना जगहों का पता चलता है कि ये जगह अच्छी है वो जरूर देख लेना यही तो किया था अक्षय ने वो बताया था ना द लॉन्गेस्ट ड्राइवेबल बीच और वर्कला ही सेड इट्स मच बेटर देन कोवलम एंड एवरीवेयर आई हैव रेड रिव्यूज दे हैव सेड द सेम थिंग कोवलम इज वेरी क्राउडेड बीच बट वर्कला इज अ ब्यूटीफुल बीच लेस क्राउडेड
You have to go right or left?
राइट ऑन द मेन रोड